if something good doesn't happen to Sansa this season, I will give up on this show, and I will, because this, no, I will. I swear I will. This woman doesn't deserve इतना बुरा जो इसके साथ हो चुका है. I'm just happy she's out of like Ramsay and Joffrey, and I just hope she doesn't get caught. But knowing her luck, she'll get caught. That's someone else.
Who is he?
ये कौन है? Who the fuck is this?
With boobs.
Fuck, this is Melisandre!
Oh my god, no!
What is this? She's old.
She is more than that. My god. See, I told you something good will happen.
You'll always be my first one. Thank you for saying that. It means a great deal to me.
I told you we can kill his father.
Ramsay. He's your brother.
I prefer being an only child.
Such a dog he is.
Like, I've been waiting a year for Melisandre to resurrect him.
Look at his face.
Now he's gonna wake up with Devos. Like, not with Devos, like, in front of Devos. Although that would be a good episode to watch if you think about it.
No, I'm not worried about it. Open your eyes.
So many wounds here.
Look at him staring. Okay, now open your eyes.
You think there's a chance he might not get revived?
He will.
Like, do you think there might be like a chance that he's no, but they would not be paying so much attention to him?
Exactly. They both will wake up together.
Yes! Okay, that made up for an entire year's waiting. That made up for an entire year's waiting. See, I knew this. This is what I was waiting for. I have been waiting 6 fucking years for this reunion. Oh my god. Ah. This is emotional to watch. It's actually emotional to watch. Oh. Fuck, she's gonna burn them. Oh my god. Okay, so she got people to put oil and stuff everywhere. Like, this is season 1, she's gone back and you know she's head back east.
Yeah. And my favorite thing is how she did this without Drogon. She did this on her own. You know?
This is season 1, but like so much more back. She has the entire Khalasar after her now. Or for her.
And he's so good at conquering shit, man.
Okay, straight guys got their reason to watch this episode. What the fuck was that? White Walkers! Oh! Oh God. God. Mira. What? How did she kill a White Walker? Dragon Glass. Summer. They killed Summer. They killed Summer. Fuck, they killed Summer. How can they kill Summer? Summer, like his name is Summer. He's supposed to like fight Winter, like. How they killed Summer?
Time has come. Leave.
Fuck, this is better than Hard Home.
Something even better is coming. Not better, but
Everyone's gonna die. All of them are sacrificing themselves for Bran. So at least they are fine. But Summer, man, they killed Summer. Like, stop killing direwolves, Game of Thrones. How did these people come back?
not all of them are dead now.
What is happening? What is happening? Killing everyone off. He's controlling him in the past also now. Oh no! You fuck!
So now get it?
Hold the door is Hodor.
Yes.
That is how he became Hodor.
This is like the saddest thing I've seen in Game of Thrones in a while. Yeah, it's like that, yeah.
I hate this show. Listen, that was really sad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like
The
I was
drawing
like really sad.
Yeah, I know. I cried the first time.
Listen, no, we need some time over. I can't. You know why that's so sad? Like apart from Hodo dying, like the fact that he's Hodo because he was holding the door and he held the door like Bran and
Yeah.
no, what's her name? Mira surviving this is a miracle. Bran and Mira making out of there.
Yeah.
Like that's because Hodor held the door. And like when he was like getting his attack, like it's like he died twice at the
Yeah.
same time. Like his whole life got destroyed at a young age because Bran was selfish enough to not wait and go and bloody explore the Night King and whatever. But no,
Yeah.
like his whole youth died because he went insane or whatever.
Yeah.
But like when he was like getting that attack, like I don't know if you made that connection. It almost felt like Hodor is talking to himself, and have to
Yeah,
hold the door. Like the young Hodor, while he's having an attack, is talking to like the old
Hold the
Hodor.
door.
Hold the door. And, like he's dying. So like he died twice, basically.
Yeah.
Like he died then, and then he died again now, and it's just so crazy that he's Hodor because
Hold the door.
he has to. Like it's like that circle of time.
Yeah.